everyone. Hope you all are doing well. This video is for class 3 children. Here we are going to discuss chapter number 6 and this is part 4 of the video. So let's begin. So now practice time. The above 3 questions we have already done here. So now we will do the 4th question. So the question is Chanchal sells school sweater. Okay, Chanchal is a girl who is selling school sweaters. In 2 days, she sold some red, blue and grey colored sweaters. Okay, she sold sweaters for 2 days, and in those 2 days, she has sold some of the red color sweaters, some of the blue color sweaters and some of the grey colored sweaters. Okay, so here the table has been given to us. Okay, a table has been given to us in which we have shown that number of red sweaters, blue sweaters and grey sweaters were sold on the first day, and also number of red sweaters, blue sweaters and grey sweaters that were sold on second day. Okay, so this chart is based on that. So now we have to watch this table and we have to do the following questions that are given below. So let's see. Look at the above and answer the following. Okay, so the questions are: how many grey sweaters did Chanchal sell in 2 days? This is the first question. And question number B is: did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? So first let's do these 2 questions and then we will move on to the other parts. Okay, so now let's see these 2 questions. So the question is, Chanchal sells some of the sweaters in 2 days. Okay, she has sold some of the sweaters in 2 days. So red color sweaters, blue color sweaters and grey color sweaters. Okay, so on first day 38 red sweaters were sold. In first day 66 blue sweaters were sold, and in first day 74 grey sweaters were sold. Similarly on second day 40 red sweaters were sold, 23 blue sweaters were sold and 89 grey sweaters were sold. So now the question is, how many grey sweaters did Chanchal sell in 2 days? So now we have to tell that how many grey sweaters in total did Chanchal sell in 2 days. Okay, so what we will do, we will find out number of sweaters that were sold on a particular day and then we will add them up. Okay, so let's see. On the first day, okay, first day Chanchal sold 74 grey sweaters. Okay, here we have to tell about the grey sweaters. Okay, grey sweaters. So 74 grey sweaters were sold on the first day. So 74. On the second day, 89 grey sweaters were sold. 89 were sold. So this will be 89. So now to tell total number of sweaters that total number of grey sweaters that Chanchal sell in 2 days. So for both the days, what we will do, we will add them up. Okay, so total number of grey sweaters we have to tell. Total grey sweaters, we will add them. 74 plus 89. Okay, 74 plus 89. So let's do 74 plus 89 here. So this is already 9. This is already 9. You have to add 4 in it. So this is 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. So I will write 3 here and 1 will go in carry. Okay. Next is 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. 8 is already here. We have to add 7. Okay. We have to add 7. This is 7. 8 is here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so 8 plus 7 is your 15 and 1 is in carry. So 15 plus 1 is your 16. So this is 16. So total 163 grey sweaters were sold. So the answer will be 163. So total number of grey sweaters that were sold in both the days by Chanchal is 163. So the question is, did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? So now we have to tell that did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? So we have to count number of blue sweaters that were sold in 2 days, and also we will count red sweaters, number of red sweaters that was sold by Chanchal in 2 days. So then we have to tell, were the red sweaters that were sold, were they more than blue sweaters or not? Okay, so let's first see number of red sweaters. Let's see number of red sweaters that were sold in 2 days. Okay, red sweaters that were sold in 2 days. Red sweater in 2 days. On the first day, 38 red sweaters were sold. Plus, on the second day, 40 red sweaters were sold. So, 38 plus 40. Let's do it here. 38 plus 40. So, 8 plus 0 is your 8. Okay, and 3 plus 4. 4 is already here. We have to add 3. So, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so 7. This is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So, number of red sweaters that were sold in the 2 days are 78. Okay, 78 red sweaters were sold in 2 days. Now, let's find out number of blue sweaters that were sold in 2 days. So, let's see number of blue sweaters. Number of blue sweaters that were sold in 2 days. So, let's see. On the first day, 66 blue sweaters were sold. Okay, on the first day, 66 blue sweaters were sold. Plus, on the second day, 23 blue sweaters were sold. On the second day, 23 blue sweaters were sold. So, let's do it here. 66. 66 plus 23. This will be, let's see. This is your rough work. Okay, this is our rough work. So, 6 is already here. We have to add 3 in it. So, 6 is already here. 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is your 9. And 6 plus 2. We have to add 2 and 6. 6 is already here. 7 and 8. So, 6 plus 2 is your 8. So, number of blue sweaters that were sold in 2 days were 89. Okay, number of red sweaters that were sold in 2 days, 78. And number of blue sweaters sold in 2 days are 89. So, the question was that did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? So, we will say no. No, she did not sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters. She sell more blue sweaters. As we can see, 89 is more than 78. So, the answer will be no. She sold more blue sweaters than red sweaters in 2 days. Now, these two parts, C and D, these two questions are the parts of question number 4. Okay, so here also we have to see that table in which we were given the number of red sweaters, blue sweaters and grey sweaters were sold on the first day, and number of red sweaters, blue sweaters and grey sweaters that were sold on the second day. So, we will look at that table and we will do these questions as well. So, the question number C is, how many red and grey sweaters did she sell on the first day? So, now we have to tell that how many red and grey sweaters were sold by Chanchal on the first day. Okay, so were it more than 120 or was it less than 120? So, here we have been given two options. Okay, and we have to take the right answer. So, two options are given, more than 120 and less than 120. So, we will solve this question. We will solve this question and we will tick it in the book. Okay. So, next is question number D. How many sweaters in all did she sell on the second day? Now we have to tell that how many sweaters did she sell on the second day. More than 140 or less than 140? Tick the right answer. So here also we have to tell that how many sweaters in all did she sell on the second day. So here we have to tell about all the sweaters, okay, that were sold on the second day. So two options has been given to us here also, more than 140 and less than 140. And what we will do, we will solve this one also and we will take the right answer in the book. Okay, so this is how we do these two parts. So now let's see how we will do these questions. Question is, how many red and grey sweaters did she sell on the first day? So now we have to tell how many red and grey sweaters did she sell on the first day. Okay. So on the first day, number of red sweaters are 38 and number of grey sweaters are 74. So what we will do, we will add them. Okay, we will add them up and we have to find the number of sweaters that were sold on the first day. Okay, red and grey sweaters. So we have to tell, was it more than 120 or less than 120? So let's see, let's find out. So let's first add them. Okay, number of red sweaters. Okay, total number of sweaters. Total number of sweaters. Total number of red and grey sweaters. Okay, this total number of sweater means total number of red and grey sweaters that were sold on the first day, because we have been asked for the first day only for red and grey sweaters. So number of red and grey sweaters that was sold on the first day. Okay, that was sold on the first day. So let's see, red sweaters 38 and grey sweaters were 74 on the first day. So let's see, 38 plus 74. 38 plus 74. So 8 is already here. We have to add 4 in it. 8 is already here. We have to add 4, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 8 plus 4 is your 12. I will write 2 here and 1 will go in carry. 2 here and 1 will go in carry. Now 7 is already here. I have to add 3 in it. 7 is already here. I have to add 3. Then 8, 9 and 10. 7 plus 3 is your 10 and 1 is in carry. So 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, 10 plus 1, 11. So total number of sweaters that was sold, the total number of grey and red sweaters that was sold on the first day are 112. Okay, 112. So it is less than 120. It is less than 120. So we will say therefore, number of red and grey sweaters sold on the first day are less than 120. Less than 120. Okay, because 112 is less than 120. So number of red and grey sweaters that were sold on the first day are less than 120. Okay. Now the next question is, how many sweaters in all did she sell on the second day? So now we have to tell total number of sweaters that were sold by Chanchal on the second day. Okay, number of sweaters sold on the second day. Okay, all. Total number of sweaters, that is red, blue, grey. Okay, all 3 of them. So we have to tell, are they more? Is that more than 140 or less than 140? So let's find out. We have to find total number of sweaters that were sold on the second day. Okay, including red, blue, and grey sweaters. We will include all 3 of them. We have been asked all. Okay, so we will include all 3 of them. So let's see total number of sweaters. Total number of sweaters. Okay, total number of sweaters in all that was sold on the second day. Okay, so on the second day, let's see, number of red sweaters that were sold on the second day was 40. Is 40 plus number of blue sweaters that were sold in the second day is 23, and number of grey sweaters that were sold on the second day is 89. So now we will add them up. So we will do it here. 40 plus 23. Okay, you can do it like this also, or you can add all 3 of them together. Okay, all 3 of them. Okay, so we will first add these 2 numbers, then we will add the answer of these numbers to this number. Okay, so let's do 0 plus 3 is your 3, and 4 plus 2 is, 4 is already here, we will add 2 in it, 5 and 6. Okay, 4 plus 2 is your 6. So this is 63. So now I will add 63 with 89. Okay, or if you know how to add all these 3 together, so you can do it like this also. Answer will be same. Okay, answer will come same. So this is 3 plus 9. 9 is already here. We have to add 3 in it. So 10, 11 and 12. Okay, 10, 11, 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 will go in carry. Now we have to add 6 plus 8. 8 is already here. We will add 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 8 is already here. We have to add 6 in it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, 14 and 1 is in carry. So 14 plus 1 is 15. 14 plus 1 is your 15. So this will be 152. So total number of sweaters that were sold on the second day is 152. So we have to tell, is it more than 140 or less than 140? So 152 is more than 140. So number of sweaters that were sold on the second day is more than 140. Okay, answer will be more than 140. You have to do this question in your book. There is an option more than 140 and another option is less than 140. So you will take, okay, you will take more than 140 because 152 is more than 140. So we will take more than 140. Okay, now total number of sweaters that was sold on the second day are more than 140. Now the next question is question number 5. Is Sangeeta right? So Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa. So here a picture is shown to us. Here we can see Sangeeta is a girl who went to market with her grandpa. Okay, she went to market with her grandfather. So here some of the things are shown to us and their prices are also shown to us. Okay, she went to a shop and there is a shopkeeper and number of things and their prices. So let's see what are the things in the pictures. So oil is kept there. So oil is of rupees 70. Price of oil is rupees 70. Then biscuits are also there. Then price of biscuits is rupees 25. Ghee is there. So price of ghee is rupees 127. Then rice is there. Price of 10 kg rice is rupees 150. Okay, so these are the things that are kept in the shop. So now she looked at the prices and said to her grandpa. Okay, now she has looked at the prices and she has made some of these statements. Okay, so she said some of the things we have to tell whether these things are right or wrong. Okay, so A, the first statement she made is ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuits. Okay, so she said that ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuits. So what we will do, we will read out each of the statement and then we will solve it. Okay, this question is your homework. We will discuss this in your class, but before that I want you to do this yourself. At least try it to do yourself. Okay, do this in book only and you can use rough copy for solving these questions. Correct? So what you will do, you will read out the statements and then one by one you will solve them, and if she has made the correct statement then you will tick here. If she has not made the correct statement then you will cross here. Okay, so statements that she made, let's see. A statement is ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuits. Okay, you will solve this and you will tick here or cross here where depending on whether it is right or wrong. Next is B, price of oil and ghee altogether is more than rupees 200. So she said that price of ghee and oil together is more than rupees 200. So you will calculate this also and then you will tick here or wrong here depending on it is right or wrong. Okay, her statement is right or wrong. Now next is C, price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than rupees 300. So you will solve this. So then after solving, if her statement will be right, you will tick here. If her statement will be wrong, then you will cross here. Statement D is oil cost rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuits. So this will also you have to do the same. You will first solve it in rough copy and then if the statement will be right then you will tick here and if statement will be wrong you will cross here. We will discuss these questions in class also. You try it in your book and then we will do it in the class. Okay, so that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.